This 5-minute solution will show you how to screen share Netflix on Discord. So if you're trying to stream your Netflix on Discord, follow these simple steps to do it. So if you are using Discord in browser, first of all, you have to disable hardware acceleration for your browser. To do that, open your browser and click on this three dot, settings, and search here hardware, and you will get the hardware acceleration options. All you have to do is just disable it and relaunch your browser. Once you disable your browser hardware acceleration, now open your Discord and go to the server where you want to stream your Netflix, and make sure to open your Netflix. And now click on voice channel, share your screen, and select Netflix. And if you want to stream your Netflix audio also, then check this box, share tab audio, click on share, and then you will see your Netflix is started to stream on Discord. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.